In this video, we will go through some examples of how to solve one-step equations. If you find this video helpful, please support me by subscribing. Feel free to comment below with any questions or any other topics so I can make more videos you will benefit from. Let's get started. Question 1. 4 plus a number equals 15. So to work backwards, we need to look for the difference between 15 and 4, which is 11. So the answer will be 11. Question 2, 16 minus number equals 9. So that means the difference between 16 and the number is 9. So this number will be the difference between 16 and 9. So the answer is 16 minus 9 equals 7. Next one, question 3. A number plus 4 equals 14. Seems straightforward. Difference between 14 and 4 is 10. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. Next one, 19 minus a number equals 16. So you need to go down. 19, 18, 17, 16, so 3 times. So 19 minus 3 equals 16. Question 5. A number minus 7 equals 13. So that means the addition of 13 and 7 will be this number. So we have a 20 minus 7 equals 13. Question 6. 17 equals 8 plus a number. So now we need to look for the difference between 17 and 8, which is 9. So 8 plus 9 is 17. Next one is solving x for question 7. So x plus 6 equals 18. So to work x on its own, we have to do the opposite. Therefore, we need to take away 6, both sides. So x equals 18 minus 6, which is 12. Next slide, question 8. So x over 2 equals 6.5. So to find x on its own, we need to get rid of the denominator of 2. So to do that, we need to times by 2. But remember, whatever you do to the left-hand side of the equation, you need to do it to the right-hand side of the equation. So 2 and 2 cancelled out. We have x equals 6.5 times 2, which is 13. Next one, question 9. 4x equals 24. So when you have a 4x, the relationship between 4 and x is actually multiplication. So it's 4 times x equals 24. So to get rid of the 4, we need to do the opposite. So it's easier to put it as a fraction. So now we have x equals 24 over 4. Answer is 6. So x equals 6. Next question. Similarly, we have a 5x equals 65. Get rid of the 5 by divided by 5, both sides. So x equals 65 over 5, which gives us 13. Question 11. X minus 5 equals 8. So this is a minus 5. To get x on its own, we need to do the opposite. So plus 5 both sides. Positive 5, negative 5 cancelled out. So left-hand side we have just x. Right-hand side, x plus 5 is 13 again. So x equals 13. Next slide, question 12. X plus 9 equals 14. So to get x on its own, we need to do the opposite. So minus 9 both sides. Cancel out. X equals 14 minus 9, which is 5. Question 13. X plus x equals 12. So left-hand side, group your algebra together. You have 3 x's altogether. equals 12. Get rid of the 3. Now we have x equals 12 over 3, which is 4. Question 14. 5 plus x equals 8. So again, to find x on its own, we need to do the opposite. Because the 5 here is a positive 5, we need to take away 5 to get rid of it. So now we have x on the left-hand side. Right-hand side, 8 minus 5, answer is 3. So our answer for x is 3. Question 15, similar to the left-hand side, we have x plus x plus x. So altogether, 3x's equals 39, divided by 3 both sides. So x equals 39 over 3, which is 13. Last slide, number 16. We have 36 over x equals 9. When you have a division that you're not sure of, try to use the golden triangle. Just remember, always put the numerator on the top. So my numerator is 36, so 36 will go on the top. Then x and 9 goes to the bottom. The relationship between x and 9 is actually multiply. So therefore, to get x on its own, we have 36 over 9. So x equals 36 over 9 means x equals 4. Question 17. X minus 5 equals 19. Get x on its own, do the opposite. So plus 5 both sides. Cancel out. We have x on its own on the left hand side. 19 plus 5 give us the answer of 24. Question 18. Again, we have a fraction, so let's try this. X on the top, 3 and 7. So x equals 3 times 7. So x equals 21. Question 19. 20 minus x equals 12. So take away 20, both sides. I have minus x equals 12 minus 20, which is minus 8. Therefore, my x equals 8. Last question. Question 20. 8x equals 40, divided by 8, both sides. So I have x equals 5. That's all for today. If this video helped you in any way, please give me a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment with questions or topics that I might be able to help you with in future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.